Hi guys, Govin this side. So in this video we will see the Jenkins installation, and also we see the configuration in Jenkins, so that whenever we commit the code, so Jenkins will create the build for our application. So in last lecture we have created the Spring Boot application and push our Spring Boot application on Git server. So this is what the Spring Boot application we have created in last lecture, and this is a Hello Jenkins GitHub repository. Okay, also we have tested whether it is working properly or not, means whatever changes we made in our ID, that changes is reflected on Git server or not. Okay, so here I will show you demo again. So I will change here. So I change the value of I from 14 to 15, and I made changes in test controller. So I need to commit this file. I commit this file on Git server. Okay, and push my changes. Okay, now go to the Git server and check whether changes reflected properly or not. So this is a Hello Jenkins in the repository. Okay, so we have made changes in test controller. So check in test controller, I is equal to 50, and in our local repository I is equal to 15. So our changes is reflected properly. It means as per this diagram, this two parties working properly. Okay, so whatever changes we made in our local repository, that changes is reflected on Git server. Okay, so now we will see the Jenkins installation. So to install the Jenkins, you open web browser and type Jenkins download. This is first link, this is official link, click here. Okay, so whatever operating system you are using, for that operating system you can download. I am using Windows, so that's why I click here. Directly downloading will start. Here downloading started, but to save the time I already downloaded this application. Okay, so this Jenkins I already downloaded. To install it, click here, click next. It is asking for installation path. I'm not changing. I want to install a default location. Click here, run service as local system. Click next, and it is taken the default port number 9000. So test port available or not is available. If you want to change the port number, you can change also. Okay, so I will keep default port number 9000. Okay, so this port number is available. Click on next. Okay, here if in your machine your Java version is your Java version should be higher than 11 or equal 11. Okay, if in your machine there is a Java 8, so you can't install this Jenkins in your machine. So remember, before installing the Jenkins, you should download the Java 11 or higher version. So in my machine there is Java 17 is installed, so Jenkins detects this automatically and find the path. Okay, so click on next and install. So Jenkins is installing. Okay, now installation is completed. Now the question is how to check or how to run this Jenkins. Okay, so go to your installation path. So I am installed in C drive. Okay, program files, and here I am installed Jenkins. So go to this folder. Okay, so click here and type cmd. Now to run the Jenkins, just type java -jar, and you need to run this file jenkins.war. Okay, your Jenkins is okay, so your Jenkins is fully up and running. So now you know, while installing the Jenkins, we provide the default port number 9000, and this Jenkins we install on our local machine. So go to the browser and type localhost. Okay, localhost, because we installed on local machine, and port number we provide is 9000. So provide 9000, click enter. So this home page is appear, this is Jenkins home page is appear, but it is asking, this is not a home page, basically this is authentication page, and this is asking for administrator password. Okay, so where I'm getting the administrator password? Here, see program data, Jenkins secret. Okay, so go to the C drive, program data, here Jenkins, inside Jenkins. Here this secrets. Okay, open this file, copy this secret key and type here and click continue. Okay, so this password is secrets. So okay, inside secret there is initial. Go to the secrets, inside secret there is initial admin password. You need to copy this. Okay, this is the initial password. Go here, pass this initial password and continue. Okay, so after entering the administrator password, so this screen is display, and in this screen asking for the install suggested plugin, select plugins to install. So we install the suggested plugin. It will take a lot of time to install. Okay, so let them install. I will pause the video. Okay, actually this plugin is installing this plugin is helps us to write this script. Okay, for example, this git plugin we required to trigger the git changes, means whatever changes we made on git, that changes is trigger. Okay, so for that we require this all plugins, means not all for this whatever we are doing, but for every plugin is having their own purpose. Okay, so that's why we installing plugin. So once it is completed, we will continue. So after installation of all plugins, this page appear. Okay, so you can skip it, or you pass your custom username and password. So I am passing hardcoder is my username. Okay, and I am passing some other details also, password. So I'm setting my custom password now. Okay, after setting custom password, no need to pass full name, email, and then save and continue. Okay, email address. Okay, he's asking for email address. Okay, save and continue. Okay, so now save and finish. So start using Jenkins. Now Jenkins is ready to start, and this is what the home page of Jenkins look like this. Okay, so in this way we can install the Jenkins. So in next video we will see the configuration part. So we configure the Jenkins in such a way that so on each commit Jenkins will start the build of our application. So thanks for watching. If you have any doubts or suggestion, you can ask in comment. Okay.